is Lake Leake Inn. We're going to camp here.
Yep, so this is us for the next 3 days perhaps.
Maybe. We're going to have a look at the lake. RV friendly.
Going to try our hand at, that's the quite famous Lake Leake pub. Come back and say g'day to Troy and just go down and check out how the lake looks.
Yes, the lake looks very blue today. Look at that.
You can camp out here for $13.50 a night, unpowered. Or you can camp behind the pub for free.
People out there in kayaks, I can see people out in dinghies. That's us.
Today we break away, forget our fear of what comes after. Hold on for better days. Let our past begin to shatter. Days like these, we can see the way to live out a new chapter. Tides coming our way as we move closer to like these, they come and go, so let this feeling grow. Finally see what we've always known, so let this feeling grow.
Bit of a grassy spot, truck, so we can take the boat up. This looks good. Okay, I've just finished cooking and serving up a big brekkie and doing my chores. Carl's got the boat out. He's just about ready, just getting the motor off the back. We've had a big feed to brave this cold, windy conditions that we're going to fish in, but trout is the species, the elusive trout. Still got a bit of a moon up there, I don't know what that means, whether that's going to affect our fishing today. But sun's coming out, it'll be a good day. We're going to put our new net that we've just purchased to work. Mr. Net. We're going to test that net out. That's where the boat lives, just in there. Alright. Hopefully some fishing action soon. Dirty, dusty entrance, a bit bumpy. I've got to take my socks off to get in the water. Damn, it's cold. Doesn't look that beautiful, does it? Let's hope the trout are fantastic. Anyway, that was about an hour and a half to have brekkie, set the boat up at a leisurely pace. So, too easy. Carl's chosen not to put the foils on today because it's not the sort of lake that you get the boat up on the plane anyway. Because there's just too many hidden, it's quite shallow and a lot of logs, so
Deepest part of the lake.
is it?
It's
Right.
really shallow all around here, so I'm just going to troll along these edges here.
Yeah.
Alright, let's get rigged up.
Okay. Stay tuned.
Alright, we are fishing. Shaz is. We don't know what we're doing, that's exactly right. So it's beginner's luck it's going to be. I'm just going to find my way along this bit of a colour change here. It's like obviously a deeper bit, I think. And we're going to go around and follow those logs out and along that bank, so fingers crossed.
Alright, we have our first fish on.
Oh, right here.
Hang on, let me get the net.
Still in gear.
Alright, maybe take it out of gear.
Oh.
Trying to film and net at the same time. Sorry. Yeah, here he comes. Just. Are you serious? Oh!
Put him in the fucking net! Oh, that was a disaster. He's too big for the net, was he?
Are you serious?
You got a fish!
Fish! Come on!
That's a freaking beauty!
Is it, what is it?
It's a trout.
What sort?
It's a brown trout.
Yeah, baby.
Can you believe that?
It was pretty bad videoing though because I think there was a lot of boat action there. Keep it in the net, babe.
Yeah.
Keep it in the net, and I'll.
I'm trying to control the boat and control the fish.
All right, let me hold it up.
Get the boga. Let me get the boga on. I'm going to keep it. It's a keeper.
Yeah.
1 over 500.
I can't actually hold that and that. Let me get the.
I'm a little bit surprised with that. That's my first brown trout.
I'm filming.
Alright, that is the trout.
We have a brown trout. First one.
First one of the trip.
The rig tender has been christened with a trout. What a beautiful fish.
It's a nice fish. What should measure the length of it, eh?
Yeah.
Wait.
How do I get it out of here? Pardon?
Right here.
Do you want to hold the GoPro? Alright, I have to put the GoPro down.
There we go. Get him in the boat, get him in the boat. Get him out. Get that.
You just drive the boat.
I didn't want the net to be pulled, that's all.
It's alright, you just drive the boat. Get out of this danger. So this one's a bit bigger than the last one. This one's going to go 52 centimetres, I reckon, maybe. Anyway, we've got to get him cleaned up, put him back in the bag. We just about lost him over the side. That was pretty treacherous.
Alright. Crew kit's delivered. Couple of nice brown trout. This one looks about, I don't know, 50. What did I measure it? Another one's 45. The little one's 45, so that one would be easy. Be 52 or something. We'll measure him later on. Oh, we've got a measuring stick there. But Lake Leake, the weather's quite good. The wind has come up.
Yeah.
It's getting a bit sloppy out there, but 2 fish is enough. We'll eat them. But the boat went good. Yeah, I didn't put the foils on today because we're just trolling.
There, baby.
Alright. So Shaz just measured it, and the big one is 51.
He's 51 to there.
Right, that's nice.
To there, that's there.
Right, we're allowed to keep 1 over 500, 2 over 500, and 5 fish total. So we're well under our bag, but that's more than enough fish for us. All right. Okay, this is sunset. That's the Lake Leake Inn. That's where we're at. This is the free RV campsite right here. It's that's the pub over there. So this is real Tassie. You get free camping behind the pub. Successful fishing today, our first trout. So I filleted the really big one, and this is the 45 centimetre one. We're just doing this in a wrap with a bit of wine and butter and lemon and soy. We're just going to limited ingredients, pepper, salt. We're just going to steam it in that and in the Weber and see how that goes. So wish us luck.